Hello everyone, today we'll be making some fish soup or some fish tea soup as we call it in Jamaica. What you'll need is any fish that you prefer. I'm using some red fillet snapper, and what you'll be doing is cooking this for about 30 minutes. Once it's cooked, you're going to go ahead and remove the fish, and you're just going to set it aside. And at this point, you'll be adding all your vegetables. Now this part is optional. You can use your Maggi or your Grace fish tea soup mix. Today I'll be using the Maggi. Now if you choose not to use any of these two, you can just use salt to taste pretty much. Now we're going to go ahead and add the fish back into the pan, and we're just going to allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're just going to add some salt. And as I said before, with the Maggi or the Grace, you use less salt, but I'm just using a little bit of salt. I think about a teaspoon or so of salt, just to give it some taste. And this is just pretty much completed. So here it is, some fish soup. So thank you for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and click the link in the description box for the full details of this recipe. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!